SMK Helmets.
Sun peak replacement. Allterra sun pick hold through 3 diamond screw. For opening diamond screw, rotate from left to right. Repeat the same process opening the other diamond screws. Detached sun peak from helmet. Once sun peak is out, please ensure to keep these 3 silicone washers safely for installation later on. Fit the sun peak same way and tighten the diamond screw. Now sun peak ready to use. Rear vent replacement. To replace rear vent, use screwdriver, covered with soft cloth and detached vent from helmet. Removed rear vent from helmet. Replace rear vent with align both channel, and push it. Cheek pads replacement. To replace the cheek pads, invert the helmet and keep on soft base. Then gently pull the cheek pad inwards, till you hear a click sound of buttons opening. Then pull cheek pad on the inner side, and take out from the helmet. To refit the cheek pads, align the 3 buttons, and press till you hear buttons clicking. Liner replacement. Unlock the locks of the bandella and the front of the helmet one by one. To unlock the bandella, gently pull the bandella down using the thumb and unlock. Then unbutton the 2 buttons on the back of the helmet. The liner will come out from its place. To put the liner in place, push to close the 2 buttons on the back of the helmet. Align the bandella. First gently push the bandella and it will snap in its place. Once this is done, spread the liner inside the helmet. Your liner is now ready to be used.
SMK Helmets.